Well, I'm heading to the doctor, so I'm gonna miss all the action. I gotta miss all of this, what Stephen is doing. Again, this is the morning of the 15th of August, Tuesday. Stephen, I'm fixing to leave for the doctor. What's your latest news?
Just like the beginning of the last gasket kit, I can't find the water pump gasket seal. That says 156, right? Or 150 what?
156 is what it looks like. Yeah, 156.
Yeah, I don't see a 156 on there. Nor do I see one this size. I mean, you can look at it yourself. Do you see that big old thing in there? That's the same thing that happened when I opened the last kit. First piece I looked for was this water pump one, and it wasn't there. Here I was starting on a $600 Caterpillar kit. Obviously it is different, but the very first gasket I was looking for over there, same gasket, because that's where you start. With this, I don't see it.
Uh-oh. Well, $600 is nothing to bat an eyelash at. If you can't find it, surely they could take that back. If you haven't opened all of this stuff, then
the thing is it's costing me time to take these things apart, put them back together, take them apart, put them back together, because I have a missing part or a part that won't fit. That's what people fail to realize. You know, you can get returns on this, you can get returns on that. That will return you on this. And who's going to pay you for tearing it down and putting it back together? Who's going to do that? Like I just spent, since I came out here this morning, my whole job since right now, I just now opened this up. So what I've been doing, I've been taking everything that I had on there from the last gasket kit off and cleaning all the gasket material up, prepping it, washing it, getting it ready for no contaminants so I could put fresh gaskets on there. So that's, plus, not to mention, I waited all weekend. So, I mean, when this truck's not out on the road, it ain't making money. So that means it's costing me money. Nobody's paying me for that. So I don't see the 156 on here at all. It's not in the list. And it is the one part that should be on the list because it's part of the gasket kit. I mean, duh. You have to have this thing on there before you even get started.
Gotta go to town. Gotta go to the doctor.
So yeah. 156, 51, 98, or 6. It's kind of hard to tell if that's an 8 or a 6. 51, 198. So if you look through here, this one here ends with a 198. So you got 1, 5, 6, 51, 98. So it shows this gasket. But then when I look over here, I don't see it. How can you miss the biggest gasket in the whole kit?
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
Okay, so it's not here. It's on the list, but it's not in here. All right, just look for the last 3 digits. 198.
All right, I gotta
Not
run.
hidden in there. So, yeah, here I am again. Exact same way the last gasket kit started out. Exactly the same exact thing. Now, that being said, let me go look at the other gasket kit. There it is. Oh, well, that ain't it. But that's a whole lot closer than what they had. Well, that might be the one. Let's see, what's the number on? Don't have a number. It's not hiding in there. Nope. Yep. And so okay, so there's no possible way it could be any of these other ones because they're not even close. So here is the closest one you have, and it's not big enough.
Oh no, not even close. All right, Stephen, I gotta run to town. I'm gonna start uploading this when I head to town.
Well,
Do it again. Put it on there.
no, it's not gonna work. It's not even close. I mean, as soon as you go to put it on there and stretch it in, it just pulls right back out. It's not it. So 156 is not in there. So, and it says it's in the gasket kit right here on the list. It's right here. It says 156, 198, and then when you look for it, it's not there. So it'd be the easiest one to find. That would be that one there. Now, these ones here are folded in half, but even if you unfolded them, they wouldn't measure to that. Not to mention, that's not the part number. So, and I don't see where it's not hidden in the back of one of these. So why would they miss a seal twice on the kit, the first kit that I have, and here I am the second kit, and it's missing?
Oh, where'd you come from?
I just spent
Where'd you come
$600
from?
plus the $87, so I have $700 in gaskets in here, and they can't even get the one gasket to start the job. This is where you start. You gotta have this to even start. It's the first thing you put on. I'm gonna have to make some phone calls.
All right.
Let me have that.
Okay.
Sorry about the sorry about people, Father. Father, I'm getting a little frustrated here. I've already been set back a week behind for these gaskets and had to do the job twice because of these gaskets. Then I spent $600 because of these gaskets. So, Father, please, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you have a good one. Sorry about the mishaps for this. We'll have to work it out and figure out what's going on. Maybe, what's his name next to me over here might be back from his vacation. He's got one. I don't know. But I'll find out. You guys have a great day. Have lots of fun. And later.